Welcome to Pro Stock Tracker. Today, we're diving into the Dividend Report, your essential tool for monitoring and analyzing your dividend income. This report offers a comprehensive overview of your portfolio's dividend history, empowering you to gain valuable insights into your income streams and track the growth of your dividends over time. We'll start by exploring the 4 tabs at the top of the report, which summarize key aspects of your dividend income history. Holdings, the total number of holdings that paid dividends in the selected period. Gross, the total gross dividend income received in the portfolio or selected holding during the specified period. Tax, the total withholding tax deducted from your dividends in the portfolio or selected holding during the specified period. Net, the total net dividend income received in the portfolio or selected holding after tax deductions during the specified period. You can apply filters, such as choosing a specific date range from our preset options or by entering a custom start and end date. You can then select a specific holding from the drop-down menu to focus the report on its dividend payments only. Lastly, you can download the report data for your holdings as a CSV file. Now, let's take a look at the chart, an interactive visualization that illustrates your portfolio's or selected holdings' gross dividend income over time. You can toggle between quarterly and yearly views to see the total dividends you received within each quarter or year. This helps you track your income, providing a clear picture of your earnings over time. Below the chart is the dividend table. It shows the details of each dividend payment, including the holding name, with a toggle in the table header to switch between showing only the ticker or both the ticker and the holding name. The ex-dividend date, that's the date before which you must own the stock to receive the dividend. The dividend per share, how much is paid for each share you own. The quantity, that's the number of shares you own the day before the ex-dividend date, determining the amount of dividend you receive. The exchange rate used to convert foreign dividends into your portfolio's currency. The gross dividend amount, any withholding tax, and finally, the net dividend amount in your portfolio's base currency. Note that if you see an R next to the ex-dividend date, it indicates that the dividend was reinvested. You can sort the table by clicking on any column header. Additionally, clicking on a holding will take you to that holding's individual page for a more in-depth look. That concludes our overview of the Dividend Report. Now you can track your dividend income and make informed decisions with Pro Stock Tracker.